Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Thank you so much for coming back to our channel. It means the world to us. And those who have not yet subscribed, please just subscribe down below and also turn on your notification bell so that you don't miss out on any videos that we are going to be uploading for you guys. So today I decided to detangle my hair using apple cider vinegar. The mixture is just right here. I'm going to show you how I did it. So this is what I exactly did. And my detangling process was simple and very fast. My hair was very dry, very disturbing, but these are the results and I feel so proud of myself that I got finally something that will work for me. This is warm water. This is my coconut oil that I'll be using. Then this is the Motions Active Leave-In Detangler. Then I have my apple cider vinegar that I showcased in the last video. Other benefits of the cider vinegar, please check my previous video. Then I have my spray bottle. Congratulations, I got finally the spray bottle. Since I don't have a funnel, I'm going to use this small cup to put water. It's the plastic cup. To pour in the water there so that I don't mess everything up. So basically I put like 3/4 of the water in this cup like this. Then I'm going to get my coconut oil.